camel and rabbit pose are extremely beneficial in lengthening and contracting the neck. This promotes greater functioning of the thyroid gland. Please remember to consult your physician before starting any new practice. Take the palms onto the lower back, roll the shoulders, and allow the elbows to come together. Inhale, start to lift the chest, let the hips come forward, stretching back, and allow the neck to open. Then we'll slowly come up. Sitting into Vajrasana, onto the heels. Take the palms and holding onto the soles of the feet to drop the head down in child's pose. Coming onto the crown of the head and then lifting the hips up, rounding the back, bringing the chin towards the chest. And slowly release.